Hi friends, in this session we'll start with the chapter number 4 chemical bonding DPP. आप सभी के पास इसका PDF अवेलेबल है. So without wasting much time, let's start with the first question. Which of this following does not contain coordination bond? So coordination covalent bond is back donation bond. So back donation bond इसमें से किसके पास नहीं होगा? Answer C Calcutta, that is CO3-2. Question number 2. Which of this following has highest dipole moment? Dipole moment का मतलब होगा partially positive, partially negatively charged species. आपको 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए A, B, C, D. स्ट्रक्चर अच्छे से चेक कर लीजिए. Now remaining all the species having carbon double bond carbon. Only one example is there where carbon is associated with double bond with oxygen. So carbon having partially positive charge, oxygen having partially negatively charged. So A Ahmedabad is your right answer. Question number 3. Out of this following, hydride which one has the lowest boiling point? 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए. ग्रुप 15 P ब्लॉक एलिमेंट के है. That is C Calcutta. So NH3 undergoes hydrogen bonding, hence has the highest boiling point. So remaining कौन से बाकी बचे? PH3, ASH3 and SBH3. As we move from PH3 to Bi3, the molecular mass increases. As a result, van der Waals force of attraction is also increases and the boiling point is increases regularly. So PH3 to Bi boiling point increase होता जाएगा. हमें lowest ढूंढना है, इसीलिए PH3, that is C Calcutta is your right answer. In the compounds of type ECl3 where E is equal to B, P, AS or Bi, the angle of Cl, ECl for the different ER as follows. 4 ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं. ट्राइहैलाइड कंपाउंड है. ऑर्डर क्या होगा? So in trihalide compound, BiCl3, sp2 hybridization, PCl3, that is sp3 hybridization, AsCl3 sp3 hybridization, BiCl3 sp3 hybridization. अगर sp3 hybridization है तो बॉन्ड एंगल होगा 109-28 मिनट. And BiCl3 is sp2 hybridized, that is planar triangular. It's look like a fan like structure. So bond angle हो जाएगा 120. So B Bombay, that is B is greater than to this, P is greater than to this, AS is greater than to this, BI. ये आपका सही ऑर्डर होगा. Question number 5. NH3 NF3 most important for your school examination concern also. 11th में स्कूल के एग्जाम में भी ये बहुत बार पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है. सिंपल आंसर इज A Ahmedabad. Next is 6th. KF combined with HF to form KHF2. The compound contains the species. So F forms a hydrogen bond with HF2 minus exists. Therefore, KHF2 gives K plus plus HF2 minus. That is C Calcutta is your right answer. Question number 7 on your screen. On changing N2 to N2 plus, the dissociation energy of N-N bond, and on changing O2 to O2 plus, the dissociation energy of OO bond. 4 ऑप्शन आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर है. B Bombay, that is decrease followed by increase is there. Now bond order के लिए आप लोगों को पढ़ाया गया था N2 14, N2 plus उसमें से एक निकल जाएगा. फाइन. तो जैसे जैसे आपको 10 से पढ़ाया गया था 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, इस हिसाब से आप इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन काउंट कर लीजिए, उसके सामने बॉन्ड ऑर्डर काउंट कर लीजिए. फाइन. अगर 10 होगा तो 1 होगा, 11 तो 1.5, 12 तो 2, 13 तो 2.5, 14 3, 15 is 2.5, 16 is 2, 17 is 1.5 and 18 once again है 1. तो लाइकवाइज आप बॉन्ड ऑर्डर फटाफट कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो एंड देन यू गेट योर आंसर. 8 on your screen. According to MO, the following list nitrogen species terms in increase in bond order. देखिए फिर से आपको काम में आ जाएगा बॉन्ड ऑर्डर. सही ऑप्शन होगा A Ahmedabad. बॉन्ड ऑर्डर NB माइनस Na, N2 माइनस N2 सभी के अंदर आप लिख लीजिए, डिफरेंस काउंट कर लीजिए, बॉन्डिंग एंटी बॉन्डिंग का डिफरेंस डिवाइडेड बाय 2. So in case of N2 2 minus is 2, 2.5 and 3. So correct order is N2 2 minus less than N2 minus less than N2. Ninth on your screen, you have to find out the hybridization of this following species. किसका same होगा किसका नहीं. One formula is there to find out the hybridization. Formula के अंदर सारे के सारे species डाल दीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा. So question number 9, formula is hybridization is equal to half of number of valence electron of the central atom plus number of monovalent atom attached to it plus negatively charged if any minus positive charge if any. Once again formula क्या है, hybridization is equal to half of number of valence electron in central atom plus number of monovalent atom attached plus negative charge if any minus positive charge if any. So negative charge को प्लस करना है, positive charge को माइनस करना है. तो NO2 माइनस नाइट्रोजन वैलेंस शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे 5 प्लस 0, नंबर ऑफ मोनोवैलेंट एटम अटैच्ड प्लस 1, इसके ऊपर -1 चार्ज इसलिए प्लस एंड देन 0. सो टोटल हो गया 3 to sp2, 4 to sp3. 3 मीन्स 1s and 2p अटैच, दैट इज sp2. लाइकवाइज NO3 के अंदर sp2, NH2 माइनस के अंदर हो जाएगा sp3, NH4 प्लस के अंदर हो जाएगा sp3 and SCN minus is sp. So NO2 minus and NO3 minus having the same hybridization. So your answer is A, Ahmedabad. Question number 10 on your screen. The values of electronegative atom of A and B are 1.20 and 4 respectively. The percentage of ionic character of AB bond is. So 10th electronegativity difference is 4 minus 1 by 2 is 2.8. So the percentage ionic character is 72.24%. But if electronegative difference is approximately 1.7, then percentage of ionic character is 51%. Question number 11 on your screen. In PO4 minus 3 ion, the formal charge on this oxygen atom of PO bond is. In PO4 minus 3 ion, the formal charge on oxygen of PO bond is equal to total charge divided by number of oxygen atom. That is -3 total charge है divided by 4 is equal to -0.75. Which of this molecule or ion of this following does not contain unpaired electron? Once again molecular orbital theory से पता चल जाएगा. C Calcutta is your right answer. 13. Which of this following pair of isoelectronic are isostructural? So isostructural कौन होगा? C Calcutta is your right answer. Just because दोनों के अंदर total कितने हैं 42 electrons and both having sp3 hybridization and both having only one lone pair electron at central atom, so that's why they are pyramidal in shape. So answer is C Calcutta. 14. Which of this following is correct in increasing order of lone pair of this electron on central atom? So IF70, IF5 is 1, CLF3 is 2, XCF2 is 3. Thus the correct order is IF7 is less than to this IF5 is less than to this CLF3 is less than to this XCF2. That is A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. Consider the molecule CH4 NH3 H2O. Which of this given statement is false? 15th क्वेश्चन आपकी स्क्रीन पे है. sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन के अंदर हमने ये क्लियरली पढ़ा था. आंसर बी बॉम्बे is your false statement. 16th, prediction of correct order. VSEPR theory. LP-LP repulsion is more as compared to this LP-BP and then BP-BP. A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. 17th on your screen. In which of this following species the interatomic bond angle is 109-28 minute? So answer is A, Ahmedabad. NH3 and BF4 minus is your right answer. 18th on your screen, XeF2, XeF4 and XeF6. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया लोन पेयर. जेनोन के ऊपर टोटल 4 नॉन बॉन्डिंग पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे, उसमें से 2 फ्लोरीन मीन्स 3 नॉन बॉन्डिंग, XeF4 मीन्स 4 बॉन्डिंग तो 2 नॉन बॉन्डिंग, एंड 6 बॉन्डिंग तो 2 नॉन बॉन्डिंग, only 1 non bonding pair of electron in XeF6. So that is 3, 2 and 1 non bonding pair of electron available in xenon respectively. So 18, your answer is D Delhi. So 17 is your A Ahmedabad and 18 is your D Delhi. Let's start with the 19. Hybridization of this underlying atom change in. So हाइब्रिडाइजेशन काउंट करना है आपको. सो फॉर्मूला अभी हमने पढ़ा था, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इन सेंट्रल एटम प्लस नंबर ऑफ मोनोवैलेंट एटम अराउंड इट माइनस चार्ज ऑन कैटायन प्लस चार्ज ऑन एनायन. सो सबसे पहला है AlH3. सो AlH3 hybridization of Al, half of 3 plus 3 plus 0 minus plus 0, total is 3. sp2 hybridization. AlH4 minus, half of 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, that is sp3 hybridization. H2O, half of 6 plus 2 plus minus 0 plus 0, that is sp3 hybridization. H3O plus is sp3 hybridization. C, ammonia. So on nitrogen, that is half of 5 plus 3 minus 0 plus 4, that is sp3, and NH4 plus is sp3 hybridization. Thus, option A is your right answer. 20 on your screen, the state of hybridization of boron and oxygen atom in hydroboric acid respectively. So likewise, जैसे ही हमने अभी hybridization किया, ऐसे ही आप BOH, OH and OH के लिए भी कर सकते हो. That is B Bombay is your right answer. Next is 21. Among this following, P pi D pi overlapping could be present in, that is B Bombay, PO4 minus 3. Justification देख लीजिए. PO4 minus 3 is equal to half of 5 plus 0 plus 3 minus 0, that is 4. 4 माना sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. सो फॉस्फोरस एंड ऑक्सीजन के बीच में डी पाई पी पाई ओवरलैपिंग होगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई 21 बी बॉम्बे इज योर राइट आंसर. 22 ऑन योर स्क्रीन, द डिक्रीजिंग वैल्यू ऑफ बॉन्ड एंगल फ्रॉम अमोनिया टू SbH3 down to the group of group 15 in the periodic table due to, that is B Bombay, decrease in electron negativity. 23, once again a common आगे किया हुआ है. Which of this following pairs of species have the same bond order? So that is A Ahmedabad having a same bond order. O minus 2 Cn minus 17, NO plus 14, Cn minus 14, Cn plus 12. So we found Cn minus and NO plus having 14 electron. So correct answer is A Ahmedabad. So N2 and O2 are converted into monocations, N2 plus and O2 plus respectively. Which of this following statement is wrong? Wrong कौन सा है? तो that is 24. D Delhi is your wrong statement. 25 on your screen. 25 statement answer is B Bombay. 26 is intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Straight away question, B Bombay is your right answer. 27 question on your screen. Amongst LiCl, RbCl, BeCl2 and MgCl2, greater and least ionic characteristics. Now according to this Fajan's rule, B Bombay is your right answer. So according to Fajan rule, smaller highly charged cation has greater covalent characteristics, while larger cation with smaller charge has greatest ionic character. So B Bombay is your right answer. 28 is your bonus question. एक ऑप्शन जो है करेक्ट, जो इसके अंदर अवेलेबल नहीं है। करेक्ट ऑर्डर होगा H2 इज ग्रेटर देन टू दिस, Li2 इज ग्रेटर देन टू दिस B2, जो यहाँ पे अवेलेबल नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ बोनस वन। द शेप ऑफ IF6 minus is, that is A Ahmedabad, trigonally disrotated octahedral. Last is 30th. The which one of this following molecule is paramagnetic in nature? That is B Bombay is your right answer. So here in case we discuss chapter number 4, chemical bonding, DPP solution. Next session के अंदर हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे chapter number 5, states of matter, and then followed by thermodynamics. So this is all about from my side. Thank you so much.